This one here, disgusting, ugly human being, like inside and out. I'm obviously not just talking about aesthetics. Get me the fuck out of this shithole. Done, mate. Bring my son into it. Oh my God, how brave are you? Seriously.
Lotan, take a seat for Big Brother.
Ah!
No. Just sit down, just sit down.
Fuck that. Get the fuck away from me.
Imagine
I'm not
being
going to have them
Deborah.
come back in here because that drink went in my face. It hit me,
Yeah,
not
and
her.
I agree with that, but Deborah, imagine is that we all
I get
three.
it. Listen, I got it. I know. It's not everything. It's 1, 2, 3. It's not just one. I get it. But I'm just going to say that went in my face, and I'm just saying it's either me or him because I had never had drink thrown in my face. Hannah, it's bounced. It's a no.
She went.
It's out. She's out.
To his son, and then everything
Where
went
did she
there.
even know about
And we all
son?
went,
Is it the
calm
conversation we had
down.
today?
And then Isabel went, she went, oh, well, what a role model you to your son. That's personal again.
Yeah,
So
it's
now-
going to be personal, but if somebody's going to be personal to me, make me feel like shit.
So
Like, what
yeah.
kind of man does that? He's 28 years old.
Yeah, but Isabel, you are literally digging deep.
Like, they're too close to the bone.
I don't get what your reason to
You can't bring in family members. That's not appropriate.
Especially
Yeah,
but kids.
Yeah,
Saying
but-
your ex-girlfriend.
Someone's
kids.
But it's true, like...
I get what Sunny's kids. Say that to Deborah. Go say that to Deborah.
Yeah, no, I've been told. I know it's a low blow. It's got to be there. We need to learn his
What you
lesson.
said was wrong.
Oh, that's just, it'll be funny. She's brought in two factors, nothing outside. You're just taking a fucking piss. Lizzie. No.
Lotan, remain seated, Big Brother. Lotan,
I'm not chill.
Wait, get the fuck down here. You don't say a fucking thing because you're going to
this
miss
is
it
Big
now.
Brother. Would Lotan return to the
No.
dining room immediately?
You're fine.
Lotan,
chill.
go to the diary room.
Return. You have to go
Go
back.
to the diary room.
You have to go
Chill.
back.
Go to the
This
diary room.
is Big
Go
Brother.
to
Chill.
the diary room.
Honestly.
Lotan, return to
come
the
on.
diary room
Come on.
immediately.
Come in and get me.
Lotan, go to the fucking diary room.
We're just
This
down fucking
is
low.
Big Brother.
Lotan, do you want to get dragged
Would
out of this
one
house by
night
security?
Did they not say to you if you don't do that?
Immediately.
Did Lowen not?
So do you
Lowen,
wanna
did they
do
not
that
say
on
to you that
fucking
if you
TV?
don't go out of the room, did it? You've got to respect him. So come
Come
on.
on, fucking get up the
Come on.
stairs. Get up the stairs.
This is Big Brother. Would not take Lotan to the bathroom
I'm going to
immediately.
tell you this, yeah? I'm going to tell you this. I'm not playing about.
Face,
Don't
get
let you
the
get
face
out.
down.
This is Big Brother. Would not take Lotan to the dining room immediately. Right, send security in.
Why is she doing that? Why is she doing that? Please stop it. We have work. Stop it.
This is Big Brother.
What is going on? What the fuck? I didn't come on my face like that. Your boy came up to my face.
I put my hands up to say calm down. I said calm
See why you
down.
standing on the face? Stop it.
Oh my God. I said calm down.
It's too much now. I'm going home, mate. It's too fucking much. I'm not dealing with this bullshit. She hit me in my face.
Like, I have to leave because
She swung at my face. Ellie, you swung at my face.
Deborah, how did it go wrong? You have to get some respect. Go there. Hit me.
This is Big Brother. Deborah and Hannah should go to Thorn Cottage immediately. With security escort, Hannah and Deborah to Thorn Cottage immediately. Hannah and Deborah should remain in Thorn Cottage until further notice.
You two are fucking insane.
I'm going
Thorn Cottage. No, they've said
This
get
is
in
Big
Thorn
Brother. Would
Cottage.
Tom and Lotan return to the dining room immediately?
No, I know you're crew colours. You're a fucking...
She swung at my face. On my eye. Let's go inside. I didn't even know that. This is what I signed up for. I would never sign up for. Swung from my face.
Chill out. This is the craziest house I've ever fucking had. I've never seen.
That was... I'm not being kidding. I know they're so intimidated by two girls.